Welcome, and come on into the kitchen. Today I am making my favorite peach cobbler recipe. It was given to me years ago by a friend in Brunswick, Georgia, and I've been making it ever since. It is simple to put together and it tastes divine. Let me show you. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 and melt 1 stick of butter. Then gather your ingredients. We're going to use 1 29-ounce can of sliced peaches in heavy syrup, 1 cup self-rising flour, 1 cup white sugar, 1 stick of butter, and a sprinkle of cinnamon, which is optional. Okay, take a casserole dish and pour your can of peaches in it. This is a 29-ounce can with heavy syrup. Then take 1 cup of self-rising flour, add 1 cup of white sugar to it, and mix this well. Then take about 1/4 of your melted butter, now this is 1 stick of butter, and mix that into your sugar flour mixture. It's not enough to wet it, but it'll make gummy little bits in there. Now take your peaches and put your dry mixture all over the top. Take a fork and spread it out. You want to cover your peaches and any liquid that you see showing. Then take the rest of your butter, drizzle it over the top, and pop it in the oven. I pop it in the oven just like this, but my husband doesn't really appreciate peaches, so I usually go to the pantry and get some cinnamon and sprinkle on the top. He tends to eat it a little better if it's flavored with cinnamon. Then you'll put it in a 350-degree oven, and I bake mine right at an hour. I start checking it at 45 minutes, but it usually takes it about an hour in my oven. You want the top to be gold and bubbly. Now, doesn't that look like home and comfort on a plate? I like it hot, right out of the oven. You can see I've put some whipped cream on this one and it's starting to melt it. But I'm about to give it a taste. Let me see if I can get a little bit of peach, a little bit of bread, and a little bit of whipped cream all in one bite. Oh, the house smells like heaven. It's hot, but it is delicious. So go ahead and give it a try. It takes 5 minutes to put it together and 1 hour to bake it. Share about your favorite cobbler in the comments below. I really do hope y'all enjoy this, and I will talk to you in the next video.